What is stock market? Is it an art or a science? So if I ask you this question, I'm sure you will tell me that, sir, it's a combination of art and science. When I started my journey as a stock market participant way back in 2002, I was very lucky. I was lucky because market was immature. Market gave me lot of inefficiency, because of which I was able to make early money in stock market. Whoever has seen this phase of 2002 to 2008 will agree with me that that was the golden period of making money from stock market. Everything was going up. Equity, commodity, currency, everything was going up because there was a big bubble which finally got disturbed in 2008. But by the time people like me, we were able to create a base for ourselves and made enough money so that we can deploy that money post the crash in better wealth creating opportunities. From there on, 2008 onwards, after the crash happened and markets started the new move from 2009 onwards, it has been a very, very different market. I would say pre 2008 or 2009, it was people driven market. And from 2009 onwards, it became a process driven market. And that's where in 2014, we launched Elearnmarkets.com, which is, as we speak today, is the largest financial education platform in India. Friends, I'm very, very glad today I am offering you a new website of Elearn Markets. Today we released yet another new initiative. It's the brand new website of Elearn Markets. Friends, my name is Vivek Bajaj and I'm the co-founder of Elearn Markets, and I'm extremely passionate about helping people decode the science behind financial market. This new website is a perfect design for anyone who wants a clear path for his or her participation in financial markets. If you go to this website, see on the home page, what we have done, clearly given you a path for your objective. Your objective could be you are a beginner, you are a trader, or you want to become an investor. For a beginner, what we have done is, for each three categories, we have given you enough free content so that you come in with consumption of these free content, make up your mind what exactly you want to do with yourself, and then graduate towards premium content if you at all feel that way. So if you go to beginner section, there are basic learning, text-based learning in the form of ELM School. What a lovely repository of text-based learning which we have created in ELM School. I'm very confident that if you go through all the text which we have created, the study materials around ELM School, you will get a very good base building understanding of various aspects of financial market. Look at the various modules which we are creating. I want to talk to you about one very, very unique module, which is the book summary. Already more than 80,000 people have seen this book summary as we speak. What we are doing is summarizing a lot of financial market books in a very crisp manner, very simple to understand language, so that you can use this for your follow-on understanding of various aspects of market. Apart from ELM School, we have short courses, very, very small micro courses which may be of relevant to you, certification courses from NSC, from MCX, NCDX, career courses if you are very clear what kind of career you want to make, continuous learning in the form of blogs and practical oriented text. You see on the home page, on the top side of the home page, there is something called Explore. Explore is literally the whole website which you can explore. What we have given is a lot of courses, which could be combo courses, which could be 999 value courses, fundamental analysis courses, derivative, technical, languages in multiple languages. So you could undergo courses in English, Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali and other languages. And we are continuously developing more and more content related to your language of your need. Apart from that, the beauty of Elearn Markets is that we focus a lot on developing add-on learning tools. So it's not just about video. What we are trying to do is create a lot of synchronized tools which goes along with the video content, so that when you are reading a particular or learning a particular concept through a video, you also get a practice tool which you can use to practice what you are learning in the market. And StockEdge is a live example which helps people to practice what has been taught to them with a practical database. You can also see the face-to-face videos which I am recording with market experts, and each and every face-to-face video is like a gold mine of knowledge which you can get from these market experts. And by the way, it's free. So you don't have to pay for a lot of content which is already there in Elearnmarkets. You only pay for premium content, and that too if or only if you believe you need that premium content for yourself. So have a look at this website, go through the new website which we have designed for you. The learning management system has also been improved, so the speed and accuracy of the content has also gone up. So my suggestion is that use this website for your continuous learning in financial market, because finally in market, whoever spends more time on learning actually gets more opportunities to earn. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great life ahead and have a great learning sessions ahead. Bye-bye.